This is Arlo Pro 3 bundle, and today I'll show how you can find and change the video settings and preferences for the camera on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Arlo Secure app, then go into the devices section, select the camera you would like to change the video preferences for, then open its settings, go into the video settings, and here, as you can clearly see, you can modify the field of view of your camera. You can enable or disable the local 2K live streaming option. You can rotate the image 100 degrees or flip it horizontally. You can also enable or disable the auto HDR option here. Adjust the video brightness. And enable or disable the auto zoom and tracking. This is, as you can see from the description, the feature will, once enabled, will zoom in on an object and track its movement once it detects such object. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.